Natural gas has given a sharp drop from 7.4 levels and closed the week with a flat bottom with a bearish indication closing at around 6.2, very nearby to the support levels at $6 levels. Now, what to expect? Is it going to continue from bearish from here and take the support again at 5.5, 5.4 levels, or further lows can be seen, or is it going to reverse from here? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon, and which will keep you updated with the daily updates and daily targets which I share for natural gas very early in the day with the Asia session. So do watch that also. Let's start first with looking to charts followed with indicators. Towards the end of this analysis, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for NG. Now look at the NG's movement here. See series of red candles, one big bearish candle, couple of retracement candle, another bearish candle, couple of retracement candles, higher highs, and another bearish candle. Now at the same time, this candle is trying to breach the bottom of this channel. This is breach this certainly. This is breach the lows of this channel. Now at the same time, here it has come to the support at $6 levels, which is the first support, and then 5.4, 5.5 we had seen it creating double bottom there. So with the forming the double bottom on the weekly charts, it is tried to reverse and retrace. However, this is a trend reversal indication here, but at the same time very nearby to the support levels at 6 and 5.4. Only and only if you see it trading below 5.4, you can confirm that there is further bearishness which will bring it for $5 and then 4.4 levels. But this is extreme which we are trying to look at. However, the looking at the behavior of NGC, red candle, couple of green candles, red candle, couple of green candles, higher highs, and then this red candle. Hence there is a possibility that it can continue with the pattern out there, and probably that can reverse from here. However, no confirmation of bullishness till the time it trades above below 7.2. This is one observation. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, last week we talked about that there is a potential reversal indication. After that we had seen this few red candles, and see this week it has given this sharper reversal and sharper drop. Also it breached below the support at 6.5 and 6.4 levels, which is a very good support, and now looking forward to $6 levels. But see, the bearishness is consistently increased. You can find out this is expanding in nature, and the bottom is done. That is what also it appears, and hence once it tries to trade above 6.4, you can potentially expect 6.5, 6.6 zone, which is the next resistance, and below beyond which you can in fact expect $7 levels. And if it trades above 7.2, consider this for a good reversal. This is on the daily charts. You can find out on the daily charts if you just connect the dots. See, not only this time it has breached the bottom, that is my concern point here, that it has breached the lows of this channel and it is trying to look further downwards. However, the good point is it is still not breached the support at $6 and 5.8. So this something I will definitely be watchful of for the next week. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly, just observe the last few candles. See sharper drop and achieving the lows, it has seen a pullback, higher highs. Now see, this is certainly trying to trade in this channel. If you connect the dots here, definitely there is going to be support at $6 levels, and if and only if NG breaks $6 levels this month, probably you can expect 5.8 and then 5.4 levels. However, only bearish confirmation is if it breaks this lows there, and hence you should be a little bit cautious of this. Now see, it is what also one must not forget that there is a little higher opening there on the monthly charts. Hence achieving the lows, it can give you a potential reversal achieving higher highs too in the month of December itself. The candle has just begun and it has seen a sharp drop. There is a possibility of a reversal which is also existent, and only if NG trades above 7, you can confirm that this is trying to trade bullish. This may try to trade achieve 7.2, 7.4, and then it is going to fly past $8 levels in the month of December itself. So this is on the monthly chart. Another observation on the monthly charts is how it has traded so far. See this? This is an expanding triangle clearly. This is a big bullish triangle. The support zone at 5.4, 5.8, 5.4 is very, very strong. achieving those levels also, this can potentially reverse, because this is just the beginning of the month. There is still lot much of time for it to reverse on the monthly charts, and hence you should be cautious of 5.8, 5.4 levels. Only and only if it drops below this, you can confirm that it is going to hit 5 and below levels also. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting here? Now indicators part, you see the 100 period moving average is a little far away at 7.4, the 20 period moving average at around 6.8, and the 50 period moving average at around 6.6 level. See, it has breached all these three and trying to trade bearish. But look at the 20 and 50 period moving average. These are still indicating that there is little bullishness, and only if it crosses over, you can confirm that NG is trying to look forward to a very good and sharp drop. Now look at the directional movement here. Directional movement, you can see NG was trading bullish so far, and it has taken a crossover. This is a bearish cross. This is happening after a little few weeks. You can see this, and at the same time this is diverging, indicating that there is little more bearishness. I'll wait for it to converge and crossover for a bullish move. Now see, the stochastic has directly taken a dip and it has come back to oversold zone. Sustaining this, it can reverse. What we had seen earlier is achieving those levels. It certainly shows you a little reversal, and hence $6 levels, 5.8 levels certainly can be expected as a good support before it tries to bounce back. But the MACD on the daily charts has taken a crossover. This is divergent and a bearish cross. This is just the second red candle. It requires a lot of effort, lot of a stronger bullish candle for it to converge, crossover again and sustain the bullish momentum. Now see, this crossover is happening at a very early stage, because see the lower levels which it had seen earlier at minus 500, there is a potential for NG to achieve plus 500 too, and hence in the month of December itself, there is a probability of a reversal which also exists till the time it fails to breach past the previous lows at 5.4, 5.2 levels. RSI looking downwards here, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the weekly charts here, now look at the weekly charts. 20 weeks average sitting at around 7.4. The 50 weeks average also, it has breached at around 6. This is 7.4 and this is 6.4 levels, and now trying to trade bearish. And 100 weeks average is situated far away at $5 levels, possibly breaking below 5.8, 5.4. It can certainly achieve $5 levels also. The directional movement moderately bullish here. The stochastic is taking a convergence and a crossover here, looking downwards. I'll wait for it to show the real direction, because the slope is hardly anything, and a sharp red candle will certainly bring it to the oversold zone. The MACD is bearish. It is trying to converge, and look at it is station flat here, possibly that it may try to diverge again a little. I'll wait for it to give it a confirmation. RSI is looking downwards, indicating little bearishness. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, we had seen past few candles getting the support at the 20 months average, which is right now situated at around 5.8, 5.6 zone, which is going to provide a good support. So 5.8, 5.6, 5.4, 5.2 and 5, every 20 cents there is going to be a good support for NG. Breaking below this zone, certainly you can expect a sharper drop, which in fact might bring it for $5 levels. Now see, since last 2 years, NG on the monthly charts has traded in green, and this is again trying to converge, but it has not yet crossed over. So let's see which direction it takes. However, the stochastic is looking downwards, trying to enter into oversold zone. The MACD is crossing over for the very first time after months. See, let me show you. It is crossing over at plus 1000 levels, which indicates that it can sustain the bearish momentum for a little while. Now see, in past, this was the only time in 2005 when it has seen such bullish levels, and since then it has shown a sharper drop. Now this is the second time in 15-20 years that it has seen such higher levels, and now trying to take a dip from here. I'll be cautious of this. It can give you a red candle and a red month, because this is just crossing over. Be observant, be cautious there on the lower side. RSI looking downwards here. Considering this, now we've seen the charts and indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. And before we proceed with the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, You should join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start in the month of January, first week of January. Be a part of it. Equip yourself with the right tools and right strategy for you to profit. At the same time, you can be part of my signals channel and trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Only reach out to the mentioned IDs only. Now, next week, if you want to buy at what levels you should consider this is a safe buy. See, first thing, NG being volatile, you should watch out for a gap down or a gap up opening because it is closed at the bottom. It can give you a gap down also, and hence you need to remain cautious. Now, if you see this 6.2 levels, certainly as a good support, you can buy at 6.25 itself, but then expect 6.35 and 6.4. Now 6.4 is certainly going to be a first support level which is going to come into picture for any upward move. If it breaks 6.5, certainly you can expect 6.4 breaking. You can expect 6.6 levels, which are the next resistance level, and if beyond 6.6, certainly you can expect a little more bullish momentum till towards 7 levels. In between this, you can expect 6.8. Before beyond this, let me give you another level here. So beyond this 6.8 and then $7 levels to be seen. Every 20 cents there is a little resistance. You should remain cautious of this. Only if it trades above 6.4, 6.6, consider that for a good bullish move. Now on the downside, where you should take a sell entry, I will recommend you to take a sell entry at 6.12 itself. Below 6.12 you can expect 6.02 and then 5.95 levels. Below 5.95 you can expect that it is going to drop for 5.8 levels, which is a very good support, and then directly to 5.6. Below 5.6, still 5.4 will come into picture, and if it breaks 5.4, now this analysis, these levels are applicable for not only next week but next to next week also, because below 5.4 you can see a very good drop for $5 levels, and hence you should trade with caution. You should trade with extra caution in NG. Do not keep any positions. Continuing with the trade, just keep closing at every milestone. Let's say if it is going bullish, you can keep booking your profits at every milestone, or keep shifting your stop loss to here such that you can book your at least this profits even if it tries to trade in one direction. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.